Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add or create a new SSH key on your GitHub. First things first, we're going to head over to github.com and then you're going to make sure that you're logged in or you have already created an account. Now we're just going to leave it at the dashboard or homepage. And then from here, we're just going to search for command prompt. We're going to hit open command prompt right there. And then from here, you're going to type in ssh-keygen. Now you're just going to hit on enter, and then from there, just going to keep on hitting enter right there. And since I already have my SSH ID, I'm just going to copy this one until here. I'm going to copy it, and then we're going to open our file explorer right here. And then we're going to search for this one. I'm going to paste it in, going to hit on enter. And then as you can see here, I have my ID. So this one is what we're going to need. This one is the public key. I'm going to click on it. And as you can see here, we have my SSH ID. Now we're just going to copy this one, and then we're going to head back to GitHub. Now from GitHub, you're going to tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and then click on settings from there. Now from the settings page, you're going to head over to the left side panel and then click on SSH and GPG keys. From this page, you're going to look for the SSH keys section, and then you're going to click on new SSH key. Now from there, we're going to just add a title to this. I'm going to entitle this my desktop. And then from here, you're just going to enter the key type, which is the authentication key. And then from the key, one thing that you need to take note of is that it begins with SSH RSA. So if it doesn't begin, or if the key that you just copied doesn't begin with SSH RSA, it's most likely because it is a private key rather than a public key. So make sure that you double check on that. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Now we're just going to paste it in here, and as you can see here, we can just click on add SSH key, and this SSH key will be added. And that's it. That is how you can add a new SSH key into your GitHub account. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.